Sunday and we've come in for a contactless of firm, and we don't have here the cashier, nobody. We can make it with myself in my hands. I have some coins and I want to buy the sausages. So what we should to do? We should to choose this the one and put how much it was. Okay. And what next? What next? Okay. Okay. Yay! Oh my god, it's not right. Okay. So, what else we want today? We want also to the pocket kartoffel. Yeah. We will took it and we should put money here. So yeah, no casa, no nothing. And also we can buy here the eggs, different size, XL, M and L. And also you can put money in the top, or you can buy in automat also. So yeah.